Hello guys, good morning to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis brought to you by Typhoon2000 for today, Wednesday to Friday, January 10 to 12, 2024. And this is the English version. And this video analysis is in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And let's begin now with our update. It looks like the northeast monsoon has retreated quite a bit. It's currently along the Taiwan area, and it's still bringing some northeasterly wind flow across the Kalayaan, Spratly Islands, including the Panatag Shoal, while here across the Philippine Islands, particularly the eastern sections, improved weather has been observed during the past 24 hours beginning Tuesday, and this will last till Wednesday. And because of the retreatment of the northeast monsoon, the easterly or the warm easterly surface wind flow has returned, and it's bringing some good weather with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening in some areas of Visayas and eastern Mindanao. So this was the last graph set, valid until today, Wednesday, and we'll be having a new one later today. And this easterly wind flow will only prevail for yesterday and today, Wednesday, and then late this evening, a new surge of the northeast monsoon will form over eastern China and will dig down across Batanes and Mabuhay Islands, and it will reach once again the whole of Luzon, including the Bicol region, this coming Thursday to Friday, and slightly to extend until the weekend. So expect some cooler weather, windy, okay, and some possible shear line expected to return alongside with the northeast monsoon, and there might be again another round of showers and rains. Another round of rain showers across the Bicol region. So those areas in low-lying areas must be prepared for another round of the northeast monsoon and the shear line, formerly known as the tail end of a cold front. So right now, for the next 2 weeks, it's all clear across the Western Pacific, no tropical cyclone formation as it is expected, since January, February, March is the least formation of tropical cyclone in the Western Pacific. But there are years that January, February, or March can have one, but not on a consecutive basis. Sometimes January there's one, February nothing, or January there's none, February there's one, so something like that. So we expect that in the coming months, heading into the hot dry season. Here's the fast animation, and as you can see, we have here a developing frontal system. We're just accelerating to the east northeast, and the northeast monsoon will begin to move down as the easterlies continues to prevail across the eastern coastal waters of Bicol, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT. And as you can see, it's all clear across the Philippine Islands except for some portions of eastern some portions of Davao Oriental, wherein there is a small thunderstorm passing by. And so far it's gonna be pleasant for the whole of Wednesday, but in the evening we have a new surge of the northeast monsoon, which is expected to dig down across northern Luzon. Here's the wind pressure, okay, forecast from here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model issued by windy.com. And as you can see, here's now the beginning of the new blast of the surge of northeast monsoon affecting Taiwan. It's still quiet here across Luzon, Bicol region, and portions of the Visayas. And later this afternoon, the northeast monsoon or the new surge of the northeast monsoon will begin to move down across northern Luzon. You can see here the gustiness of 47 kph is starting to pick up again across the eastern coastal waters of central and northern Luzon beginning tonight, Wednesday evening. And on Thursday morning, it will reach the coastal waters of the Bicol region, so expect breezy to windy conditions to return beginning tonight throughout Thursday, with the winds of up to 40 or 50 kph. And on Thursday evening or afternoon, it will start to approach the Bicol region with sustained or gust winds of up to 50 or 60 kph. So there is a possibility of another shear line affecting the Bicol region. And on Friday, you can clearly see here that the northeast monsoon will still continue to prevail across the Bicol region and some portions of eastern Luzon, extending towards northern and eastern Visayas. As for the rain forecast, showers will again be expected later tonight. Thursday morning into Thursday evening, we have now another possibility of a shear line forming across the Bicol region. And on Friday, it will reach down over some provinces and later. So this is now a new shear line because of the strength of this high pressure cell over the East China Sea north of Taiwan. The shear line is expected to move farther south across eastern Visayas, while some drizzles to light showers and winds of up to 50 or 60 kph will be expected across the Bicol region through beginning Thursday, Friday, and most likely it will last until Saturday. Okay, and for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Friday, here we go. You can see here Partido District of Camarines Sur, Eastern Albay, Eastern Sorsogon, that includes Legazpi, okay, in Albay, and also Catanduanes will be experiencing some occasional monsoon rains, together with the rains and thunderstorms brought about by the shear line or the new shear line expected to arrive late Thursday morning or late Thursday evening. And on Friday, it will also affect eastern sections of the Visayas. Okay, so that's the forecast of the wind, pressure, and rain, and also the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. As you can see, the Bicol region will again be experiencing some showers brought about by the new surge of the northeast monsoon expected to reach northern and central Luzon within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, as for the wave forecast, okay, I'm gonna show it to you. Today throughout Wednesday, we expect waves of 1.5 over the eastern seaboards of Luzon, including Bicol region and eastern Visayas, while here over the Batanes and Babuyan Cove Islands, because of the approach of the new surge of the northeast monsoon or Amihan, we expect the wave height to increase by let me see, up to 2 meters. And if we move into Thursday morning, the waves will increasingly move up again, and then the wave height will increase up to 4 meters over the Batanes and Babuyan Cove Islands, while 2.5 to 3 meters across the coastal waters of northern Bicol and eastern Luzon. While here across the inland waters of the Visayas, we expect 0.3 to up to 1 meter of waves expected, as well as those very close to the shoreline of Bicol region. We expect also a wave height wave height of 0.5 to 1 meter. But if you move further over the open waters of the Philippine Sea, the wave height will increase from 1.5 to 2.5 meters beginning Thursday morning, and through the evening it will increase from 2 to 3 meters, and throughout Friday most likely it will be around 2.5 to 3.5 meters, the wave height across the coastal areas of the Bicol region, those facing the Philippine Sea, where the northeast monsoon blows. Okay, so if you're fishing here across the Partido district and the coastal waters of Catanduanes, Sorsogon, expect waves of 2 to 3 meters because of the new surge or another surge of the northeast monsoon. Okay, so that's the latest English version of our tropical weather analysis, and we will turn again most likely this weekend, Friday or Saturday, to give you more updates on the weather, particularly the new surge of the northeast monsoon and the shear line, formerly known as the tail end of a cold front. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Good morning. Okay, and we'll see you guys in the next couple of days. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.